Save more with the Low Payment Kings at Posner Park, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat.
The Low Payment Kings have been satisfying customers for over 55 years. The trained technicians at the Low Payment Kings can service all makes and models. Let us satisfy you today by taking care of all your maintenance and repair needs, so we can serve you more and save you more. The Low Payment Kings buy more so we can save you more. The Low Payment Kings have over 1,700 vehicles in stock and incoming for you to choose from. The Low Payment Kings offer both new vehicles, used vehicles, Chrysler certified vehicles. We'll always show you the Carfax Vehicle History Report. We have rental cars, courtesy cars. We have Mopar trained technicians. We'd be happy to fix any open recalls for you for free. And check out hundreds of Mopar parts, accessories, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram wearables. And the Low Payment Kings will gladly work with you if you're looking for an upfit or an outfit. We also have a great selection of commercial vehicles. And most recently, the Low Payment Kings are also the Locate Kings. If you're having trouble locating the vehicle of your dreams, come see the Low Payment Kings so we can find a new or used vehicle to satisfy you. The Low Payment Kings can ship any new vehicle anywhere in America, and we can ship any used vehicle anywhere in the world.
Visit us today at lowpaymentkings.com.